up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch another video. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, I'm Jaleesa. Welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. We are going to be showing you today, well, I'm going to be showing you how to cover your acne scarring, your discoloration, all of your areas under your foundation that keep seeping throughout the day. So make sure you guys stay tuned if you are interested in knowing how to get that sweat-proof, bulletproof, full coverage foundation. If you haven't seen my updated highlight and contour routine, which will not be shown in this video, please make sure you check the description box for my full highlight and contour routine. Alright, so first I'm going to pull my hair back and get it out of my face. If you struggle with color discoloration or you struggle with acne scarring, dark circles, dark marks, you want to find a concealer or a color corrector that will cancel out that darkness depending on your skin tone and even it out with the rest of your skin tone. So for me, I could use a red or a yellow color corrector to cancel out my darkness because I have a red undertone and I have like a yellow undertone. So either color will work for me. You just want to find the one that works for you that will cancel out the darkness. Next thing is you want to find a concealer or color corrector that has a really heavy duty coverage where you can use a little that goes a long way. The concealer that I use for my color discoloration is the Sephora Make No Mistake Corrector. And I use the shade Nutmeg. A little of this concealer goes a long way. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see exactly how much I need to cover all of my acne scars. Most of all of my acne scarring is here in the contour area. I'm not sure why. Like, I've been trying to get rid of these for a long time. They have lightened up a little and the lighting does make them look a little darker on camera than how they look in person. So I'm just going to take a little of this concealer. And I'm literally gonna put like 4 or 5 dots of this concealer, you guys. Now you can use your finger or you can use a small flat brush, any kind of brush that you'd like. Now you're really up close and personal. Just this little concealer here will cover all of the acne scarring that I have on this side. And look at how full coverage that is. Like, it looks like paint. It's almost so full coverage. You cannot see through it. But I want it to be a very thin and even layer. So I'm just working my way out and covering the areas that I need to. Now I can take this concealer under my eyes to cancel out any dark circles, but because I already go in with a concealer on top of my foundation for my highlight and under eye concealer, I don't want to put too much product under the eye because that's a really delicate area. You can see, you guys, like, look at how far a little of that concealer went. It's super heavy duty and it really gets the job done. Okay, now I'm going in with a dry beauty blender, and this is the Tarte Beauty Blender and it's completely dry, and I'm just dabbing over the edges to pick up any excess concealer. After the concealer, I'm going to go in and set it with the Sacha Buttercup translucent powder, and I'm going to go in with the big fluffy powder brush. And I want to set this concealer so that when I go on with my foundation, it won't disturb and move the product around. I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. This is in the shade Tan. I'm going to have an even skin tone under my foundation and everything's going to look the same. You're not going to be able to see any holes in my foundation or see any of my acne scars. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques Face Expert brush. I'm going to go with the Maybelline Age Rewind Color Corrector Concealer, and this is specifically for dark circles, so that targets any under eye darkness. I have the shade Tan, which is crazy. That's the shade I use in everything, seems like. And once again, a little goes a long way. And the darkness is completely gone. That is so crazy. The darkness is gone. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I am so happy that I have discovered how to really cover my acne scars. I know in a lot of my older makeup tutorials, it was just so hard for me to understand like why I could not get rid of the holes in my foundation or why they started peeking through during the day. Well, I wasn't using the right products to really cover them up and cancel out the color. So now I know exactly how to cancel out all of my acne scars, and this will last all day. It's really sweat proof, bulletproof. I'm telling you, this is gonna last all day. So just remember the important things that I told you. You need a heavy duty full coverage concealer. Also, do not forget to set your concealer with a powder, and a little concealer goes a long way. Less is better, remember that. Also, another really big thing, which I am working on myself and getting better at, is using the right skincare products to get rid of the acne scarring and foundation. I do have a skincare routine coming up really soon for you, so make sure you stay tuned. My skin used to look so much worse than it does now, but the products that I have been using has really helped me clear my skin up and get rid of some of the acne scarring. It was worse like around my mouth a few months ago, and all of that has cleared up. So now I'm just working on areas in the contour area. So it's getting there, we're progressing. 2019, I wanna have baby flawless skin, okay? Well, thank you guys so much for coming to watch. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, leave any questions or comments that you have down below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Peace.